Hi, I am Rohan Singhal, author and transformational coach for leaders. I help them enhance their influence and impact on all stakeholders and deliver high performance and build authentic relationships. So, as I review my life, I notice four distinct stages. So, stage one, middle class inferiority complex. So, when I was a kid, I had lots of complexes. I could not speak in English, I could not speak in public, and we had this below average financial background. And I tried desperately to cover it or to come out of it. So, then came stage two, which I called chasing excellence. So, I attended all classes, made multicolor notes, and wanted to be a blue-eyed boy of all. And I got selected in some reputed colleges, IIT Delhi and IIM Calcutta. I even got good marks and a rank, but it did not help. This hollowness inside remained, and you from outside you will never know. So then came this stage 3, and I was 27-year-old, and I met a mentor who shifted my narrative of life. So he got me to shift from impressing to inspiring, from wanting to be a winner to making others winner. And I even became a communication expert while doing so. And I found a new level of joy in mentoring people, in watching them discover their wings, take off their flight with their own wings, and that was fabulous. And then came stage 4, which was daring to be authentic. So till 47, I have avoided conflict with a barge pole, but I hated that feeling of giving in to people because they were important in my life. And every time I did not speak up, I resented myself later and cursed the other person in my head. And I consciously started working on this duality 4 years back and found some answers. And I learned to look at conflicts with new eyes of a curious child. And I now see it with awe and sometimes with fear. And I learned to see it along with the other person involved. And the result was magic. And I discovered that instead of being a monster, conflict is actually a very advanced teacher and has come in my life to help me take off to the new level. And I found a new joy and freedom. So this has transformed my life in the way I relate with this world. I have created a framework to resolve conflict in any relationship, personal or professional. And to share this, I have written a book, High Conflict by Conflict. High conflict means welcome conflict instead of avoiding it, and then treat it like a guest, host it, engage with it, and then collect all the lessons and gifts of awareness that it has brought, and then wave it by fondly like we do for a guest. It is not easy, but it is possible and practical to share your truth with people who matter without damaging the relationship. What I also found that for a leader, being direct, critical, over assertive, aggressive has its own pitfalls. It creates jealousy, ill will, resentment, subconscious sabotage, and people start rooting for your failure, and you'll feel a drag despite all the success. So there is a better way to rally people and influence them and bring out everyone's best, and that is what this book is about. So please join me and bless this virtual book launch on 24th April 2021, Saturday 5 to 6:15 p.m. India time, and detail to register for the events are given below. Thank you.